Hit start and go. Want to know one of the simplest ways to check your leg strength, balance and independence without any fancy equipment? Then stick around. It's called the sit to stand test, and you can do it right in your own home. Today, I'll show you how to do it safely, explain what your scores mean, and give you tips on how to improve it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Marius Visser. I'm a biokineticist, and I work with seniors every day to improve strength, mobility, and their quality of life. The sit to stand test isn't just a number, it's a powerful indicator of your leg strength, balance, and even your risk of falls as you age. The sit to stand test measures how quickly and safely you can rise up from a chair multiple times without using your arms. It is a functional test, meaning it reflects how your muscles perform in real life movements, not just in the gym. Research has shown us that slower sit to stand times are linked to a higher fall risk, more hospital visits, and even shorter life expectancy in older adults. Here's how to do the 5 times sit to stand test at home. Okay, so let's see how strong your legs are. So to do the sit to stand test at home, it's very simple. Get yourself a standard chair, which is approximately 45 inches high. Place your chair up against the wall. Get yourself a stopwatch. Make sure you got your stopwatch ready to go. You're gonna sit in the middle of the chair with your feet shoulder width apart, feet flat on the floor. You're gonna cross your hands over your shoulders like this. And as soon as you're ready to go, you're going to press the start button and you are going to stand up and sit down 5 times as fast as you can without resting in between. So there's no pause between the squats. You're going to go as fast as you can, but doing it safely. You can obviously practice this a few times before you actually time yourself, but always make sure that you are doing this very safely. So from there, I'm going to cross my hands in front of me like this so that I don't use my hands to actually help me up. And I'm going to hit start and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and stop, touch. 10 seconds, say almost 11 seconds. Now this was a very conservative attempt. I'm sure if I had to do it faster, I'm pretty much sure I can beat 10 seconds, but that's of course the mindset that you want. You want to look at your time no matter what the time says. If it says 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, no matter what it is, you are going to improve on that time. And that is why we do all our leg strengthening exercises, so that we test whether our legs are actually getting stronger or we are not doing our exercises properly. But this is a great indication of where your health status is at. As I said before, a lot of science has gone into leg strength and mortality amongst older people. So I want you to be quite familiar with this test and do it every 4 to 6 weeks. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below and tell me what your time is like. See you next time.